Hi there, this is Indresh and you are watching TechKing18. Today in this video I am going to unbox Fastrack REFLEX strap, which is going to fit for my old Fastrack REFLEX band. This is how the box comes like from packing from titanco.in. I peeled it just now. It's a simple box, nothing. This is the bill. Keep it side. This is the strap and nothing in the box. Its cost is, and the cost of this reflex strap is 350 rupees. As you can see the MRP. It says Titan here and nothing. This is how the strap looks like. Here it says Fastrack, and here is also Fastrack's branding, and the color is green plus black. And here is the unique idea of the band, because this band comes with warranty, and the quality of the strap is as with the previous one. The same branding here, Fastrack, and here is the Fastrack branding also on the old one, and the strap of this old one was broken, so that's the reason why I purchased the new one. Now let me replace the strap. It's pretty easy. It comes out like this. And this is how my smart band fits with this new strap. Yeah, and now I am done. So this is how the strap looks like. How the Fastrack strap fits, and the quality of this Fastrack strap is good as with the older one. And it also looks like a brand new. Buying this strap is really difficult if you have already purchased this reflex band, and I brought this reflex band in 2017, and until now I have used it, and the older one broken, so I did not use this strap for 6 months, and now I found to purchase the new strap so I can use this band. And buying this strap is difficult. Why? Because you cannot purchase in Amazon or Flipkart, but you can purchase this from Titan. And how to purchase this from Titan, and if you want to know how I purchased this from Titan, you can comment and ask me, and I will make a dedicated video to show you how to purchase this reflex strap. And for this video, this much only, and thanks for watching. And if you are new here, do subscribe and hit that little bell, turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos.